Hey, it's Candus, and in today's QuickBooks tips and tricks, I'm going to answer a few questions about payroll. So with the accrued sick pay, there's been a couple problems that QuickBooks is not optimized to really do everything that we need it to do to go with this law. So I talked into it today. I got some tips for you guys that I want to share with you. So the first question had to do with when you're processing sick pay, what's happening within QuickBooks is you'll put a limit on how many hours your employee can accrue in a year, which is fine. It accrues that much. But as soon as the employee uses the sick pay, so example was, say they accrued 40 hours, they used 10 hours, then it starts reaccruing the sick pay. So the workaround for that, the best that they can do right now within Intuit is to go in as if you're processing the payroll. You're going to open up your payroll check. And over to the right, you're actually each and every check on each and every person, which is a total pain, but is what it is. You actually need to check mark this, do not accrue sick pay. So once your employee has reached their limit for the year, mark that on every paycheck if you want QuickBooks to track it for you. That's the best that they can do until they get it fixed. They didn't tell me how long that was going to be. So that's the first answer to the first question. If your payroll is over accruing, what do? That's what you do. And then you go ahead and process your payroll. Make sure you check mark that box. Now, the second part of the question, or the second question was, you have an employee and they are, they're rolling over their sick pay from one year to the next. What do? So you go into the payroll information, you click on sick/vacation. And what you'll want to do is make sure that when it rolls over, how many hours are available, that you leave that exactly how many are available, as you also don't want to click the reset button. So don't reset it every year is what they recommended. Put in what they have available, should still be there, and then it will also accrue the max for that current year. So I hope that makes sense. So you're going to go in, you're going to unselect restart or reset each year, and then it should leave your rollover there, and it will keep accruing for the current year. Now, whether this totally works perfectly, I can't promise you that. Truth is, there's a lot of glitches within QuickBooks for accruing sick pay. I did my best to get the answers from Intuit. I've tested it. I think it works, but feel free to comment below if you're still having problems, and I will keep digging for you guys. If you enjoyed this video and you know somebody who could benefit from it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to get my weekly tips and tricks, there's a link below. Feel free to put your name and email address, and you will get the tips and tricks emailed directly to your inbox. Have an amazing week. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.